The actual total installation time will not exceed 2 hours. Step 1. Fixed base plate. Step 2. Support the roof slab. Step 3. Install surrounding wall panels. Step 4. Fixed roof. These are all the accessories and tools for our prefabricated houses. Step 1. We need to level the base plate. If the base plate is uneven, use the included tool to calibrate it. When the level indicator shows successful calibration, you may proceed to the next step. Unlock the wheels of the lifting equipment as shown in the video, and push them onto the base plate. Place a wooden board on the base plate in advance to prevent the lifting equipment from scratching the base plate. As shown in the video, secure the wheels. Place the accompanying riser pads on the lifting equipment. Press the pedal to raise the lifting equipment above the height of the lifting equipment's handrails. The 4 individuals each lifted one corner of the roof panel and placed it onto the lifting equipment. Then adjust it so that the top plate and bottom plate appear as aligned as possible. Use the foot pedal to raise the lifting equipment to the height of the wall panel. Our base plate features markings for installing model wall panels. Install the corresponding wall panels according to the markings on the base plate. We must first install the wall panels with power lines. Then select one of the 4 corner posts. Connect this corner column to the power wall panel in the floor. Now we use the included wrench to connect them. Insert the wrench into the connection hole of the wall panel and turn clockwise to secure it. We successfully installed the power wall panel and the adjacent corner post. Next, we will install wall panels around the perimeter, starting from the already installed wall panels and corner posts. Do not install wall panels independently at other connection points. Just like the previous step, align the wall panel, then insert the wrench into the connection hole and turn clockwise to secure it. wall panels are installed, the next step is to lower and install the ceiling panels using lifting equipment. Before lowering the ceiling panel, check that the ceiling panel and wall panels are aligned. Press the handle of the lifting equipment to lower the top plate. Now connect each wall panel to the ceiling panel, insert the wrench into the hole and turn clockwise to secure. After securing the ceiling and wall panels, install the rain curtain on the door. Our house is now fully assembled. The second installation method is as follows. The door can be mounted on the front side, following the same procedure as shown in the video.